We've been in Koh Lipi for 9 days now, and these are the beaches we've been to and the snorkeling we've done. Pattaya Beach is where you arrive when you first land on the island. It's a great first welcome with white sandy beaches, crystal blue waters. This is where we did our first snorkeling. The waters were unbelievably clear. Pattaya Beach is also a great place to watch the sunset in the evening. At the north end of Pattaya Beach is a raised wooden walkway that leads to Sanom Beach. Heading back to Pattaya Beach via the wooden walkway, about halfway along you come to the walking street. This is a street that links both the east and the west side of the island. Heading south on Sunrise Beach, you pass lots of cafes, restaurants and hotels. At the southern end, past a rocky outcrop, you come to our favourite beach, Kathili Beach. It's a small beach, but it was always quiet, and we could always find shade from the midday sun. The reef here was very close to the beach, and at low tide you could just walk out and watch the fish. At high tide it was a great beach for snorkeling, and this is where we spent most of our time. Serendipity Beach was just 10 metres further along the coast, past another rocky outcrop. from Serendipity Beach, walking past Cathaly Beach, back onto Sunrise Beach and walking north. On the northern section of Sunset Beach, you find the long-tail taxi boats that will take you to the nearby islands, and also boats that bring in the supplies from the mainland. A bit further along the beach, you find more golden sands, ideal for swimming and snorkeling.